Minasan. So today I have created a long video based on the kanjis. So wherein I introduced some more kanjis and I made some few examples of that kanjis. So please go and check it out. And if you like it, if it is really helpful, please subscribe the channel. Thank you. There are list of kanjis which I practice. So I just took a random example from that kanjis. So let's take suppose this kanji. This kanji is name as it is aite. So if I write here aite, so this is correct. Aite. The meaning of this kanji is companion, partner, opponent. So the meaning of this kanji, I will write it here. Okay. Yes. So this is the kanji meaning. Okay. And below that, I will write a example in which that kanji is used. Okay. So let's suppose we can write example like Nihongo o benkyou shitai. Nihongo o benkyou shitai nara. So in which it is said that if you want to study Japanese, nara is a conditional form. In that case, okay, aite. Aite is a good partner. O mitsukeru. Aite o mitsukeru koto ga taisetsu. Taisetsu is important. This. Okay. So this is our kanji. This is the kanji which we are studying. Okay, aite kanji. So here I wrote Nihongo o benkyou shitai nara. And this kanji is used over here. Here. You can see. I mark it with a red color. This one. So Nihongo o benkyou shitai nara. So it means if you want to study Japanese, aite o mitsukeru koto ga taisetsu desu. It means it is important to search to find a good partner. So yeah, so this is the first kanji of the day. Okay, now let's move to the second kanji. If you can see my screen, the second kanji is akari. Okay, the meaning of akari is lamplight, light. Okay, in general used for the brightness. So I copy that kanji over here and I paste it here. So akari, the meaning is given here. So this is second kanji of the day. Okay, yeah, yeah. So this is the second kanji. Next, I will write an example. Akari no nai michi. Akari no Akari no nai michi. Michi. It means the road where there is no light. Okay. Michi o hitori. Michi o hitori. Hitori aruku no wa kowai. Aruku no wa kowai. Okay. The simply it means akari. Here I use the kanji, so I will just color it. Akari no nai michi. It means the road. Michi is the road. Hitori is the alone. Alone. Aruku is to walk. Kowai is scary. The complete meaning of the sentence will become: it is scary to walk alone where if there is no light on the road. Okay. So this is the second kanji of the akari, use of the kanji akari. So now let's get into the third kanji. So if you see this kanji means aki. Aki, here the answer is correct. So I will keep copy paste this aki here. Okay. Aki, the meaning of Aki is room, time to spare. Okay. So there are this kind of meaning. Okay. So now let's make a sentence. Okay. Time to spare, room. Okay, like that. So here I will say kono hoteru. Kono hoteru ni wa aki heya ga arimasu ka? Aki heya ga aki heya ga arimasu ka? It means, is there any empty room in this hotel? Okay. So here we use the aki kanji. I will color it. So aki means room, time, empty, like that. So is there any empty room? uh, Empty room in this hotel? So yeah, this is the third kanji we have used. Then let's move to this next one. Akiraka. So this kanji is akiraka. Akiraka is clear. Hmm. Okay, I will copy the meaning over here. Okay, I will mark. Akiraka is obvious, clear, like that. Hmm. Then I prepare an example. Sore ga kare no misu de aru koto. Sore ga kare no misu. Sore no kare no misu de aru. Kare no misu de aru koto wa a- akiraka. Akiraka da. Okay. It means it is clear that it was his mistakes. It means it is clear that it was his mistake. Okay. So this is again the use of the kanji akiraka. Okay. Then next kanji which I will be using is which? Akirameru. Akirameru. Okay. The meaning is give up. Kanji meaning is akirameru, meaning of the kanji is give up. Okay, to give up something. Now let's see the example. Yume o akiramezu ni. Yume o akiramezu ni. Okay, so zuni grammar pattern is used to tell without give up your dreams. 最後まで頑張ってください。最後まで頑張ってください。Okay, Yume is this kanji meaning is dream. Okay, Yume is dream. O Akimera Zuni. So without don't give up your dream. Keep trying. Okay. So this is again the, so if you see, we have seen this is first kanji, this is example, this is second kanji, below is the example, this is example, then this is third kanji, and this is third kanji, and this is fourth kanji, akiraka, clear, then akirameru, give up. Okay, so today till now we have seen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 examples. Okay. Yes, I will take a few more. Next kanji in our Excel sheet is, so this kanji is akiru. Akiru. The meaning is get tired, lose interest, like that. So I will copy paste it here. Akiru. Then I will write a sentence. Mainichi onaji game wo mainichi. I will write first, then I will explain. Onaji game. Mainichi onaji game wo shite. Mo akite shimatta. Mo akite. Mo akite shimatta. So I play same game every day. So mainichi, the meaning of mainichi is every day. Onaji, onaji means same. Onaji game is same game. Oshite. So while every day I'm playing same game and mo already akite. This is our kanji. Okay. Akite shimatta. So it means I played same game every day and now get tired or bored of it. Yes. So this is the, I think so. Yeah. This is fine for today's kanji session. Yeah. Thank you so much. ありがとうございました。